My passion, I think, is to serve as a voice for underrepresented communities.
It's a passion to help others, to give back. My focus was primarily on education. I came from very poor performing schools, very poor districts, and I didn't realize that until I got into college. There's such a disparity, and that's been my passion.
My passion personally would be to get a doctorate in either public health or health policy. I really would like to see some systemic change.
My passion is health policy. I want every American to have insurance.
The Price School feeds my passion for political and civic engagement because it's not just about what we learn in the classrooms. It's about how we engage in the communities around us. I chose Price because I was really impressed by the emphasis they put on constantly improving themselves and constantly making things better and student body stronger. The student resources that we have, when people really care about your success and try and engage with you and really maximize your talents, you certainly feel a sense of belonging.
I went to high school in Montgomery County, Maryland. I was surrounded by people with really diverse socioeconomic backgrounds. I decided to apply to Price because of the emphasis that it had on community development, urban planning, and I really saw that as being really connected to policy.
I came to Price because I was really taken by the curriculum. I felt that Price's was the strongest in quantitative core skills.
Once I got to college, I learned that I had a bigger role to play in terms of what I could do for my family and the community in general. I thought that USC would be the best place for me to grow professionally, but also work directly with the community surrounding USC.
The student community at Price is amazing. It's really diverse. People are super passionate and they're really smart.
Every person that I met had already done so many amazing things, whether it be, Peace Corps or running a nonprofit.
You learn different skills from all of them, and it's been an incredible professional development.
Our course content seems at times to be highly theoretical, but somehow the final project or final examination always brings it back to practice.
Definitely policy analysis skills was something that I wanted to acquire. That's the main reason why I wanted to be an MPP.
The regression analysis and all the different techniques that we used for quantitative, cost-benefit analyses.
We spend lots of money on different policies, on housing policy, on welfare programs, and the point is to know how effective they are.
When I'm driving down the freeway and I see some transportation problems, I start thinking to myself, how would we study this? What are the policy implications? And this is just me driving to school.
I can explain to you why a bill isn't going to work. And I can look at the numbers and just pick it apart because of all the skills I've learned here. I had another internship at the Inner City Law Center. I had a client there. He couldn't afford the mattress cover that you need to be treated properly for bed bugs. Through connections that I had, I was able to change policy. Now the city of West Hollywood has a fund and a collection of these bed bug mattress covers available to people with lower incomes. Now this guy is living in a healthy bed bug free environment. Changing one person's life like that makes my year.
Impact is sort of the tangible differences. How is someone's life improved? How are things made better for that next generation of people?
Impact to me is improving someone's healthcare opportunities.
Being able to produce memos, research papers that tell people what might be the best solution.
Being able to see the results of my work in action, being able to see measurable change over time.
Just making some sort of tangible difference in the world around you.
Finding those areas of common ground and really building genuine connections with people.
This is where I belong.